told you I ain't gonna leave you. It's your swag though.
Okay, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be boiling crab legs. I got some crab claws and some shrimp in the water. I'm gonna deep fry my husband some fish because he don't really eat crab legs. Got some sausages I'm gonna put in that pot, some red potatoes, some corn. I'm gonna put this in my boiling water. Sprinkle a little bit of that in there. Okay, let's get started. Okay, my boiling water is ready. It's at a good boil. So let's get started, you guys. Yeah, excuse my fat man's. Okay. Let's drop these in the pot. Sprinkle a little bit of this extra seasoning in the pot, you know. I'm gonna drop some corn in the pot.
Oh, hi. Hey, I'm sorry.
Yeah, look, go ahead. Okay, you guys, I'm just about to fill the pot up with all the crab legs and the shrimp and stuff. Make sure to rinse, the crab legs off because you don't want none of that dirty stuff in your pot while you boiling your food, okay? And I got my deep fryer started for me to fry my fish and get my fish together, you guys. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I got my fish fry together with my seasoning inside my fish fry. I got my tilapia all nice and seasoned, ready to go inside the fish fry. My grease is nice and hot and popping. Okay, so let's get started. Let's get started in here. Okay, I got the first fish in the grease. Got the second one in the deep fryer. Let me get the small one. Okay. Let's put them last two in there and let them sit there. Let's check on my seafood. I had to get another pot because it was too full, you guys. I didn't want to overfill it, so I put my corn and potatoes and sausages in this pot. And I got my, ooh, y'all, look at that steam. Yes, so it's looking good, looking good, you guys. So when we come back, we will have our nice crab legs and fried fish ready to eat. And I'm gonna make some butter, some melted butter as well. So we'll see you guys back when everything is done. Okay, you guys, this complete my cooking video. I got my melted butter, my tilapia. My husband, he couldn't wait to eat, y'all. I got my pot of my steamed crabs, my crab claws, and got some sausages and corn and shrimp in there, you guys. It about to be so good. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and comment what you want to see, what else you want me to cook for you guys. Thank you.